Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to securely manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring Modic from your Tangem wallet to a Ledger Nano X. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Tangem wallet with Modic tokens, a Ledger Nano X device that's fully updated, and access to the Ledger Live app or a compatible blockchain interface. Also, ensure you're connected to a secure internet connection. We're talking about your hard-earned crypto here. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app on your mobile device. Navigate to the Modic asset you want to transfer. Select the Send or Transfer option, and enter the receiving address from your Ledger Nano X. How do you get that address? Simple. Plug in your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app on it since Modic runs on the Polygon network, and use Ledger Live to generate and display the address. Copy that address carefully. Next, in the Tangem app, input the amount of Modic you want to send. Don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, with Polygon's updates, fees are usually low, but they can vary. Review the transaction details, and confirm it on your Tangem device for security. Once approved, the transaction will broadcast to the network. Now, head over to your Ledger Nano X. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and select your Polygon or Ethereum account. Wait for the transaction to appear. This might take a minute or two depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, verify that the Modic has arrived. A quick tip: if you're new to this, use a small test amount first to ensure everything works smoothly. Also, always enable two-factor authentication and keep your devices offline when possible. By 2025, with enhanced security features on both wallets, this should be even safer. There you have it. You've successfully transferred Modic from Tangem to Ledger Nano X. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure out there.